Files que fili kalispera. Today we're going to make a tortilla burger. Use a piece of wax paper for the ground beef. The ground beef should be 80-20 and 170 grams. I always try to make the patty rectangular, so in the end, the tortilla folds better. Add pepper and salt on both sides. As soon as you're done adding salt and pepper on both sides, use a non-stick pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Medium to high heat and cook for 4 minutes on each side. And then when you're done cooking it, put it on a plate, que volto to the side. Time for the toppings. I always like chopping the lettuce because it makes it much more easier in the end to fold the tortilla. After we cut the lettuce, we'll need a couple of slices of onion and a couple of slices of tomato. If you see there is some zumi from the tomatoes on the cutting board, just give it a wipe. Start by taking 1 tortilla out of the package and adding the toppings. First we add the lettuce and then the mayonnaise, and on top the patty. On top of the patty, put a slice of cheddar cheese, a couple of slices of tomato, onions, ketchup, and mustard. Begin by folding the sides and then top to bottom. Place it on a pan, folded side down, medium heat. Cook each side for a minute or until it turns golden brown. Take it out of the pan, onto the cutting board, cut it in half, and serve. Καλή σας όρεξη!